Hey guys, good day to you all. This is Paydirt review number 60. This is a very wet sample from Carolina Bonanza Dirt. And eBay seller, I'm going to tell you what their description says. This was a $25 bag, by the way. 8 ounces for the most part. It says we spike, capital letters, every few bags to show our appreciation and ensure a thrilling experience. Historical Cabarrus County, North Carolina. Guaranteed gold, added naturally occurring nuggets, pickers, flakes, fines, and gems. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so you would think maybe Carolina Paydirt in North Carolina would come from North Carolina. Well, okay, it was shipped from Mooresville, North Carolina, so close enough. I actually misread the package here. So yeah, it came in a Ziploc bag. There was no breach, there was no material in the padded bag. So what we're going to do is we're going to run this through our sluice buddy, our cleanup buddy, and see exactly what we get. There was no guarantee, but they do spike every few bags to show their appreciation. So let's see if we got one of those lucky bags. So let me get set up here, and we'll be right back live. Okay, we have our little cleanup buddy level. We have it on, as always, the slowest speed, which I think is 200 gallons per hour. Seems pretty fast, but I've had very good luck with it. So we added a little more moisture here. I did see some huge, I guess those are, anyways, we see some big mineral samples. So let me do this. Let's get a couple of spoonfuls through our sluice. I find that these cleanup buddies can take a lot of material quickly, but when you have 8 ounces of material, it's not like you're in any big hurry. Got a big rock in there. We may have to pull it out of the top here. Obviously, I did not condense any of this down, so they did give us this is cut stuff. This is not river bound. This has got very sharp edges on it, so have to be a little careful. All right, let me do one more spoonful, and then we'll clean our mat. See if we can see anything in our clear pan. All right. I don't see anything up top here. I better put on a pair of glasses. To be quite honest, guys, I don't see anything, but that doesn't mean anything. All right, let's take a look in our cleanup pan. I use something like this, bought at Walmart, like everything else. I believe there's a speck right there. See my finger right in front of it without putting it in the water? There is a small speck. A lot of orange rocks. Not much so far. These guys had a surprisingly low feedback score of 86%, so I'm always sort of curious what those sellers are doing to people to get those low results. Anyways, here's what I'm going to do, guys. I am going to run this sluice till we're completely out of material, and then we're going to clean it up, and I'll also pan it, see if we missed anything, which we very seldom do. These guys are really fun, so if you don't have one yet, spend your next $100 on one. So back live in just a second. Alright, so what we're doing here is we've sluiced half of the material, and before my recovery pan got too full, I wanted to show you if we missed anything. We did not see too much material in the mat. And in fact, we didn't really see any. So I don't know if we exactly got one of the spiked bags. A lot of these so-called minerals, but they're not out of the creek bed because they're all sharp. They were hit with a hammer to make them smaller. So this little cleanup, buddy, it doesn't miss much. There is not a piece of flour gold in there. Zero, zip nada. So we're gonna sluice the rest of our material here and show you what we found. Hopefully we find something, and put our mat back in. We've cleaned it out twice, and really up here where we normally find gold, nothing. So alright, let's put a couple more spoonfuls through here live. Like I say, guys, if you don't have one of these little things yet, I've given a couple away so far to friends, and they just absolutely love them. They sit there at their kitchen counter. It's easier than going out in your garage or your backyard in the summer, especially here in Arizona. So now I do see what I think is a piece of gold in my spoon, which I'm sure you can't see on camera, but we're going to see if that gets caught up top, which is where they normally. Well, can't really see. I'm having a little bit of a tough time with these big sharp stones. We've got a pile of them there. I'll show you how many we have. So that was actually my first visible piece of gold. And I'm sure it's in the mat. Alright, I'm going to clean out the rest of this with my squirt bottle. Try not to block the vision here. Alright, that's about it. Another one of their rocks. Here's what we got in this collection of paydirt. This is their mineral collection, so to speak. Alright, so I might see a piece of gold here. I think I'm learning why these guys got got a low eBay score. But for $25, it's always an experience. So here's my cleanup tray again, in case you fast forwarded and see. This really does drop the gold out in a hurry too. So, alright, so what I'm going to do here now, guys, I'm going to turn the camera off. We're going to put this in a pan, clean it up, and we're going to hope for the best. So right back at you. Alright, I'm not sure if you can see this on camera here, but I wanted to show you there looks like there is about, oh, maybe 4 little tiny pieces and then some flour gold. Not a lot of value there, but we're going to weigh it up and tell you exactly what we got, and we'll also show you the gemstones they sent. So right back at you. Alright guys, so the finale, jumping back and forth, 0.023, 24, 25 now. Anyways, there's 3 very small pieces in there. I did get a little bit of flour gold, not much. So this here, believe it or not, at almost $3,400 an ounce today, it's $33.95 as I looked on the live scale, is worth a whopping $2.25. So not a huge return on $25. I don't like it when you only get 10% back. Now here are the so-called minerals they sent us. I'm not a rock collector, so I don't know what those are. There's certainly no gold on top of those. There's no quartz. So anyways, guys, will we buy again? No. Was it fun? Of course it always is. We love to prospect here. So does that little fly in the shop. So guys, for now, appreciate your subscriptions. We'll get more out to you very soon. We have a lot of pay dirt lined up here and ready to film. So for now, Doug at Doug's World Tour, and I'm out.